Hey, what you owe? Hey, what you owe? Hey, what you owe? What the fuck? Where'd he go? Yo, what the hell? Oh my god! His body is stuck behind the fucking vending machine. Yo, the game bugged out. What the fuck? What is going on? The guy's body's stuck behind the vending machine. What am I supposed to do? Look at this. Can I move the vending machine somehow? No. The guy's body's horribly glitched. Look. I can't do anything about this. What am I supposed to do? What the fuck am I supposed to do? I don't understand. Oh, is I supposed to talk to the guy inside the store maybe? No. No, it's just a dragon kick. I think the game's just fucked up. I can't finish this mission now.